staggered. Don't do them all the way yet. Cross. And I'm gonna cover it in black, I think. And then a piece of wood to fix some of the framing. Okay, going in with these. I'm gonna replace this piece with a fresh one using deck screws, clean up some of that hanging bit, and I don't know, do everything but the weld. Some insulation, and then we're gonna paint it black so she matches under there. Let's do this. Okay, so we'll go with that cure for overnight, 8 hours. And then I'm gonna hit it with this. This is just gonna help us keep it out of the water.